morning, the principal, members of the staff, my seniors and my fellow students.
Good morning.
Standing before you is William Trauma, and with me here is Today we are going to perform an experiment titled Electrolytic Preparation of Caustic Soda, or chemically known as sodium hydroxide, from saturated solution of table salt, chemically known as sodium hydroxide. Before I proceed, I would like to introduce some apparatus used in performing this experiment. This here is chronicle flask. This one here is cup beaker. This is sodium chloride. The composition of aqueous or moisture solution of a compound by passing electricity into it. And the aqueous solution we are going to use today in performing this experiment is sodium chloride solution. That is adding salt inside water. It is also known as electrolyte.
Just sodium chloride in a little amount of water. From doing this, the sodium chloride now ionizes Na and Cl negative. The water itself also ionizes to form H positive and OH negative. You pass electricity to the via system battery and two wires, which act as conductors. These conductors are also known as electrodes. Immediately electricity is passed. Na plus from salt and H plus from water migrates to the negative wire. But H plus, being more reactive, succeeds in being discharged as H atom through the negative wire. Two H atoms combine covalently to form a hydrogen gas which escapes through the negative wire. Both OH plus in water and Cl minus in sodium chloride migrates to the positive wire. But Cl minus migrates to the positive wire to be discharged as Cl atom. Two Cl atoms combine covalently to form a Cl molecule. When this is done, it is evolved to turn into a greenish yellowish gas that smells like bleach. As this battery is inserted into this bag containing sodium chloride, the chlorine gas and hydrogen gas from the water and sodium chloride is evolving, and the chlorine gas smells like bleach. Okay.
Students also said that we can also receive that's Why did you stop?
It smells like bleach.
Like bleach. Confirm them.
Finally, since out of Na plus, Cl minus, H plus, and OH minus, the Cl minus and the H plus exchange ions, and the remaining sodium ion and water remaining inside here forms sodium hydroxide, known as caustic soda. So I would like to enlighten you on the uses of caustic soda. When caustic soda and fatty acid is heated together, it forms soap. chemically known as sodium octadecanoate, which is sodium salt of octadecanoic acid. Example of soap is sodium permeate. This is heating together caustic soda and fatty acid from palm oil. So before we conclude and before we leave this, I would like to ask some questions. Can someone list all the apparatus used in performing this experiment? Give her a round of applause. Can someone tell me the meaning of electrolysis?
Sodium chloride mixed with water known as hydrogen.
Electrolysis is the decomposition of aqueous or molten solution of a compound by passing electricity into it. This is the meaning of it. So I want to ask my students the harmful effects of chlorine.
Go on.
Chlorine is harmful to the body. Chlorine is harmful to the body and it is toxic. When mixed with hydrogen, when mixed with hydrogen, it becomes a hydrochloric acid, which is works as